my channel Tathastu, and today we are going to uh, read one bar chart, and this bar chart is going to teach us about so many things. So first we should know the basics of the bar chart. It's for the astrology students, they whom when they want to learn how to read a birth chart. This example, okay, may help. Okay, so here you can see there are three types of charts: South Indian chart, North Indian chart, and East Indian chart. Okay, so let's get down to the basics. As you can see, the ascendant here is Libra, and the Rashi or the moon sign is Gemini. This guy, okay, of this guy, this person. And in the second house, Jupiter is there, and Jupiter is under Anuradha Nakshatra. In the fourth house, retrograde Mars and Rahu is there, and Mars is here under Shravana Nakshatra, and Rahu is here under also Shravana Nakshatra. Then in the 8th house, Saturn is there, and Saturn is under Rohini Nakshatra. And in the 9th house there is Moon, and Moon is under Punarvasu Nakshatra. In the 10th house, Venus and Ketu is there. So Venus is under Aslesha Nakshatra, and Ketu is there also under Aslesha Nakshatra. Then Sun is in the 11th house with retrograde Mercury. Sun has got Magha Nakshatra. So Sun is under Magha Nakshatra in the 11th house, and retrograde Mercury, it is under Purva Falguni Nakshatra. Okay, so now the story. What happened with this person? Okay, so this person was born, as you can see, this person was born under Jupiter's Dasha, then Saturn's Dasha, and then Mercury Dasha, or the main period. So during the Mercury Dasha, this person was doing great business, okay, and the person was also happy, okay, and he got married, and everything was almost fine. But as soon as this person entered the Ketu Dasha, things began to change, and this guy wanted to earn a huge amount of money without proper ways. I mean, so not following proper ways, not without investing labor. So what happened is that this guy failed pretty badly in his business, and then this guy faced a lot of losses and a situation that went beyond his control. Okay, so now we are going to know why this guy faced such a situation under Ketu Dasha. Ketu is in 10th house, so lot of people knows, and a lot of people know that Ketu and the 10th house, it's not bad because 10th house is considered a good house and Ketu is also very powerful planet. Then why this thing is happening? So Ketu in the 10th house means the person may experience, whoever has it in general, the person may experience a massive career change in his or her life. Okay, so this person also faced a massive career change in his or her life, and that's why here Ketu is creating a problem, because Ketu is with Venus, and Venus and Ketu, they are not, friends. So the problem started also because of retrograde Mars is aspecting Venus and Rahu is aspecting Venus. So lot of ideas, and when Rahu Venus conjunction happens or connection is there, so the person may get into illicit relationship, and this person was also, he had some other relationships. Okay, but that is not the proper reason. The proper reason is that, as you can see, Jupiter is here aspecting Ketu. Jupiter's ninth aspect is on Ketu, and Mars is also aspecting, but there is another planet, that is Saturn. From the 8th house it is aspecting. Now Saturn is a very slow planet, and when Saturn aspects, then it makes direct Saturn, especially when direct Saturn aspects, then it may make a planet's dasha very slow. Now Ketu is here under Aslesha Nakshatra. Aslesha Nakshatra means this nakshatra, here Ketu is under, yes, this is under Mercury's nakshatra. So retrograde Mercury is a very fast planet, and Ketu is also a very fast planet. But Saturn is trying to slow down Ketu's power. And here the problem happened. Even the aspect of Jupiter couldn't save this person. Jupiter is under Saturn's nakshatra. So somehow Jupiter is also reflecting Saturn in some ways. So Anuradha is Saturn's nakshatra, and okay, so Saturn is aspecting, Jupiter is aspecting. Still this guy faced this problem because Venus and Ketu, they don't go well. Okay, they don't have a good relationship, and it became quite disastrous for this person. Okay, and also this person had some properties, so the properties saved this person, but the problem is that by the end of this Ketu Dasha, this person almost had zero properties and zero savings. Okay, so that's why Ketu Dasha was not very good for this person. So we can learn a lot of things from this chart. This chart tells us that how one aspect of Saturn can slow down a dasha, and also Ketu was not so powerful as it was under Venus nakshatra. It was with Venus, and retrograde Mars was also aspecting Venus, and Mars, they don't have a very good relationship, and the nakshatras they are also making uh, a problem here, creating a problem here. Okay, now the ascendant Lord Venus is with Ketu, and the 8th house Lord, that is the Venus, that is also with Ketu. So here Ketu is with a positive and a negative house. Venus, 8th house and 1st house, and Venus is losing its power. The Lagna or the ascendant is losing its power with Ketu, and 8th house, though it was meant to be good that the 8th house Lord was losing its power, but still Saturn was again aspecting on Venus. So Venus is losing all its power and Venus is becoming negative in this chart, and it has become so negative that under Ketu Dasha it failed to improve this person's life. So ascendant, the Lagna, that means the person himself, the individual himself, this person could not improve himself. Okay, and he faced a disastrous and a very bad Ketu Dasha. Okay, anyway, so I told you about the basics of the chart and the aspects. I tried to explain as detailed as I could. Now you can also, the students, whoever is watching, the viewers, you can also read the chart in your own way. Okay, so that's the end of the video. More videos will come. I will upload more videos. Okay, so bye.